Well, that Russia investigation and Mr. Trump's false claim that his phones were tapped are eroding his credibility on Capitol Hill, just as he faces one of the biggest votes of his presidency. Today, capitalists on Wall Street worried about how much political capital he has. The Dow was off more than 237 points, the biggest drop of the year, on concerns that the Obamacare replacement won't pass and Mr. Trump's tax cuts could be threatened next. Today, the president tried to convince skeptical members of his party. The health care vote is scheduled for Thursday. The outcome still uncertain. Margaret Brennan is following this.
We had a great meeting, and I think we're going to get a winner vote.
On Capitol Hill, President Trump tried to unite conservatives behind the newly revised Republican health care plan.
There are going to be adjustments, but I think we'll get the vote on Thursday.
Mr. Trump warned members of his own party they could lose their seats and possibly their majority if they vote no. Speaker Paul Ryan.
We made a promise. Now is our time to keep that promise. And we keep our promise, and the people will reward us. If we don't keep our promise, it will be very hard to manage this.
Ryan and the White House have revised the bill to entice conservatives, agreeing to freeze Medicaid expansion, provide states an optional work requirement for Medicaid, and give more help to older Americans for insurance. That still may not be enough. In the meeting today, President Trump called out Freedom Caucus Chair Mark Meadows for his opposition, but that didn't change the North Carolina conservatives' vote.
I'm still a no because the bill that we're currently considering does not lower premiums for the vast majority of Americans.
Well, Republicans can only afford to lose about 21 votes. Scott's latest vote count shows at least 23 conservatives against it, putting the bill on the cusp of failure.
Margaret Brennan at the White House tonight.